Hi, I'm Allison Burrell, and I'm an applications engineer at Carbon. I'm going to talk to you today about multi-zone lattices with Carbon Design Engine Pro. So let's get started with a new project. In Carbon Design Engine Pro, I'm going to create a new design. I'm going to upload 2 files because we're doing a multi-zone lattice. And then I'm going to select EPU 41 as my material, and I'll create this project. Now on the left-hand side of the user interface, you can see the option to select a boundary mesh. So for the boundary mesh, I'm going to select the full twist, which is the full design space for this lattice part. For the lattice type, I'm going to select Voronoi, and you have the option of transitioning between lattice types as well as cell size and strut diameter, all within the same part. So for this cell size, I'm going to select 9 millimeters. And for the strut diameter, I'm going to do 10% of my cell size, which is 0.9 millimeters. I'm going to select Apply Feature Edges, and then I'm going to add my zone. In order to do that, I'll click that plus sign, and I will select my lower zone STL file as my zone 1. For the lattice type, I'm going to transition from rhombic to Voronoi, and I'm going to keep my cell size the same. I'm going to increase my strut diameter though so that we can really see the difference in the transition. And then for the transition distance, I'm going to select twice my cell size, so it'll be 18 millimeters. And then I will generate. So on the right-hand side of the user interface, you can see the input meshes. And so you can see that when I created this project, I uploaded the full twist, which is my full design space, as well as my zone, the lower zone. And now, since I generated my lattice, you can see the 2 files here, the strut lattice, as well as the solidify file. Okay, so now that I turned off the visibility of the STL files, we can see our lattice part with a transition from rhombic in the lower zone to Voronoi in the upper zone. And that's how you use the multi-zone lattice feature in Carbon Design Engine Pro.